Do you have that jollof rice that you're tired of, that every other person around you is tired of eating? Please don't throw it away. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make assorted jollof rice. In the process of this video, we'll be seeing the ingredients that I actually used to make this rice. As you can see, I have my fry pan on fire, added my groundnut oil, and then I had my goat meat. After adding the goat meat, stir for a while, make sure it turns brown, then put in a plate. As you can see, I already added my chicken after the goat meat, so I allowed to also turn brown, then also put in the same plate that I put the goat meat. So check out my goat meat and the chicken, see how brown they are. If you test it at this moment, it's so sweet. After that, I took a big pot, poured the groundnut oil that I used to fry the goat meat inside the pot, then added my egg to it. I had like 4 pieces of egg here, so all I just had to do is to turn it in the process. Make sure I turn it to scrambled eggs. After allowing it to fry for a while, I took it out, then put it in the same plate that I had my goat meat and my chicken. In that same pot, I added oil, the remaining oil I used to fry the goat meat. Then I brought out my vegetables. Here I have cucumber, I have cabbage, carrots, white onion, green pepper, green peas, spring onion, and onion. So I started adding them to the oil. I started by adding my white onion, then after that I stirred them, then add the spring onion before the main onion I had there. I stirred for a while, then added my green pepper. After the green pepper, I added the green peas also. Then I stirred that for a while. Just anyone you add, make sure you turn. It's not compulsory you must add them according to the way I did it. You can try to change your own pattern. It depends on how you want it. But at the end, make sure you fry all the vegetables you have. Stir them the same way I'm doing it, just like this. How you like your vegetables to be at the end depends on how many minutes you want to leave it on fire. So after that, you add your green pepper. Also stir for some minutes. After stirring, add your cabbage and your cucumber. Reason why we're adding this last is because cucumber already wouldn't want it to be very soft, so we won't stir that for a very long time because we want all our vegetables to be fresh. So add your rice. After adding the rice, then you start mixing it with the vegetables. Remember, our fried goat meat, chicken and egg is still waiting. So at this point, you bring it up, pour it inside the rice, and then turn it together. After mixing it together, allow to heat for some seconds. Then your food is ready. You can see how yummy this rice is looking. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click that thumbs up button. Bye.